Polishing a car does not have to take all day. If you're short on time and just want your paint to look glossy, smooth, and well cared for, there are a few quick methods that deliver solid results without professional-level effort. Start by thoroughly rinsing the car to remove loose dirt and dust, then give it a quick wash using car shampoo or a rinseless wash solution. This step is important because polishing over dirt can scratch the paint and reduce the final shine. Once the car is clean, dry it completely using a microfiber towel or a leaf blower. Proper drying prevents water spots, which can interfere with the polishing process and make the finish look uneven. Next, apply a car polish or cleaner wax, which is one of the quickest ways to improve shine while also cleaning and protecting the paint. These products remove light oxidation and minor swirl marks while leaving behind a protective layer of wax, saving time by combining multiple steps into one. They can be applied by hand with a foam applicator or with a machine polisher, working the product evenly over the surface. After a short working time, the polish enhances gloss and restores a smooth, reflective finish with minimal effort. Applying by hand is simple and effective for quick results. Just use light to moderate pressure and work the product into the paint in small circular or overlapping motions. A dual-action polisher makes the process faster and more consistent, helping the polish spread evenly and improve shine with less physical effort. Both methods work well, so the choice depends on the tools you have and how quickly you want to finish. After polishing, apply a sealant spray to lock in the shine and provide added protection to the paint. Spray sealants create a thin protective layer that helps repel water, dirt, and UV rays, keeping the car looking clean and glossy for longer. Simply spray the product onto the surface and wipe it off with a clean microfiber towel, making sure it is spread evenly. This quick step enhances gloss, boosts durability, and helps preserve the polished finish with very little time or effort. For an even faster option, this method takes only about 10 to 15 minutes and is ideal if you just want the car to look shiny with minimal effort. After washing and drying the car, apply a spray wax or spray ceramic product. These products are wiped onto the surface and then buffed off with a microfiber towel, making the process quick and easy. While it doesn't provide true polishing, it delivers an instant boost in gloss and makes the paint look clean and fresh right away. With the right products and a smart approach, you can noticeably improve your car's appearance in under an hour.